So today we're unboxing a brand new Tohatsu 15 horsepower long shaft electric power trim and tilt. It's ready to be installed on our customer's boat. So let's see what we get inside the box. Looks really well packaged in there. So there we have, it comes already pre-installed with the main power cables, which is handy. Trim pump motor. Fuel line. The impeller's already pre-installed, got the split pin through. Steering bar. That's handy. Mounting bolts, so no trip to the charnery required. So, control box, kill cord already pre-installed, key and spare key, lovely, already in there. And installation instructions, all the control box and then cable fittings. Nicely packaged. Another bonus box, which I'm going to take a guess is a fuel tank. Let's pop that out and see how many litres is in there. Nice Tohatsu branded one. There's got to be a 12 litre, something like that. That's great. So that fuel line fitting on the end hopefully is the same as what we have here. Yeah, brilliant. So that's great, all ready to go. Under here we show some shininess. This is the latest model, fuel injected obviously. And this is also electric start and also pull start. And even can be pull started with no battery. So if you don't want a battery on your boat, but because it is a trim and tilt model, you would have a battery.